Speak English with me, daily conversation practice, and this is for you if you are a beginner. Hi, I'm Miss Kathy, and today we're going to practice speaking English together. Don't worry about mistakes, just speak with me. I will ask you some questions. You're going to pause the video, you answer, then I will help you. Are you ready? Let's start. Okay, part 1 is easy questions. Question number 1. What is your name? What is your name? Good. You can say, my name is. You can say, my name is. Good job. Question 2. Where are you from? Where are you from? You can say, I am from. Have a think about where you are from. I am from. Good job. Question 3. What do you do? Do you have a job or do you study? What do you do? For example, you could say, I am a student, or I work as a teacher, lawyer, doctor, factory worker. Okay, we're going to go into part 2 now, and it's slightly harder. So question number 4. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time when you are not working and not studying? What do you like to do? You could say, I like watching movies, or I like reading books. You try. I like. Question number 5. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? For example, you could say, yesterday I worked. Yesterday I stayed at home. Yesterday I went to school. Your turn. Good job. If this feels difficult, that's normal. You are learning. Now, try to answer one full sentence. This is part 3, a little bit more difficult. Tell me about your day. Tell me about your day. Amazing. Amazing work today. If you want to practice speaking with me and improve even faster, join my speaking classes. You will see the link in the description below and comment, I am from. I'd love to reply to you. If you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next videos that are coming out really soon. It was so good to talk to you today, and I will see you next time. Goodbye for now.